turned out that he wasn't in love with me, like I thought. What I'm trying to say is, I understand feeling as small and as insignificant as humanly possible.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I am gonna show you most amazing animal video compilation because I am an animal lover and discover internet best animal video clips for you. If you interested, please continue watch this video.
What did you do, Gus? What did you do? Such a naughty boy.
What happened?
Dear friend, it's all over. It's all over. Dear friend.
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished. I see.
I love you too. Come on. Come on.
Sushi. Oh my god. Sushi.
Couldn't I just sleep with the producer?
Geklaut haben.
Das hört sich gemein an, Randall.
Das waren auch noch die Mumien von meinem Großvater, die er sich seit der Wirtschaftskrise aufgehoben hat. Es waren 6 aus Glas dabei und sogar ein Katzenauge. Ich könnte die...
Oh. Oh. Look.
Here he comes.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy this amazing animal video compilation. If you like this video, do comment, like, share and hit channel subscribe button. Press the bell icon for more future uploads. We will get back to with another video very soon.